Guys, look what is there on this mini truck. It's Ducati Panigale. The number of this truck is KL11BK55, and for the bike it is KL11BF55. That's awesome. And what is this? Oh my god, look at the temperature gauge, man. The coolant temperature is completely high, and I'm stuck on this bad traffic. I don't know when is the engine gonna switch off. I never expected so much of engine temperature. I'm stuck on this traffic for more than 15-20 minutes, and I did not switch off my motorcycle because it's moving really slow. The traffic is moving really slow, so I did not get a chance to switch off my motorcycle. I think I need to stop somewhere and give some rest. I need to wait till the engine cools down. Still the engine temperature is at 4 points. I think let me wait for some more time. The bike was recently serviced, maybe it was serviced at 42,000, now it is 43,267 kilometers. It's hardly 1,100 kilometers. And guys, this is the first time I'm seeing engine temperature high sign. Yep. How long should I wait? These fellows are making lots of noise. Let me okay, cool. The engine temperature is 3 points now. Maybe the engine oil and the coolant has cooled down a bit. Let me take it slow for a couple of minutes. I need to check whether the radiator fan is really working or what. Because this is the first time. Look at this idiot. Let's get back to the topic. And this is the first time. I'm seeing engine temperature which went up to the 6th point. I've seen 4 points here in similar traffic, but this is the first time I'm seeing 6 points on temperature gauge. The engine sounds normal except the tappet sound, the shims, it needs to be replaced. Actually, I asked them to change those shims, but they said the stock is not available, and once the stock is available, they said they'll give me a call, then I can replace it. And luckily my bike did not stop like the KTM's do when the engine or the coolant temperature is high. Because we should not compare those machines with any other machines, man. Those are the best machines, those 390s. Again, I don't want to get stuck in this Nepal traffic.
Brother, it's caught in the crossfire. It's caught in the crossfire.